Righto, ride time. Get yourself all sorted. Make sure you're positioned well. Head to you. Reins bridged. Alright. That's the way. If she's over bending, just take a little on your outside rein just to hold her there. Now just quiet, just smooth. So she knows she's coming. You've been on and off bareback plenty and done all of that. So now just land smoothly in the saddle. Good girl. Find your outside stirrup and sit in. Good. Alrighty. Just a minute, I'll get rid of that box. Just let her learn to walk first. That's good. Bolt! You get down. Right, little nudges up. Yeah. Just concentrate on what you're doing, doll. Alright? Little bit of leg. Right, now just give her little gentle kickies at the same time you click her in. Just got to encourage her. She doesn't know what the leg is. It's the first time the leg's ever going to go on it. Good girl. Just sit. No, sit. Just hold your monkey and sit. Hold your monkey and sit. Good girl. Good girl. That's all you got to do. Just let her get used to the fact that you've got a saddle on, she's got weight on, and that leg works. Alright, good. Bring her back to a halt. Oh, go. Gently, gently, gently. Good. Give her a nice big pat. Alright, not much different than the bareback. Okay, and kick her on again. Prepare. Let her know it's coming. A little bit of leg. Teacher. Teacher. Click and kick. Good. Good. Stay sitting. Keep your bum in the saddle, Poppy. You start rising over the top like that and she gives you a little pig root while she gets used to it, you'll get caught. Alright? Keep your weight back. Stay close to the horse. Let her just learn to deal with one thing at a time. Good girl. And stop again. Good girl. Okay, and round to the outside. Gently, gently, yep. Remember, it's the first time she's feeling the bridle coming directly from your hands and not at the end of 15 metres of rein as well. Good. Good.
She's not stubborn.
No, she'll be a very free-going little pony, so it's important that she's confident and happy with free-going, and that because she could easily be spooked up, this little girl, and then she'd be running away from you. We don't want her running away from you. We want her learning to go forward for you. Right, so we don't scare her. That's why you give her a nice ride. She's not a dull pony. You don't have to tank it up and try and wake it up. Good. Okay, hand on. Sorry, I'm using the wrong on-off button on this new camera. Keep it going. Here we go. Good girl. Alright. A little bit more leg now. Yep. Okay, and you can just bridge your reins in your outside hand. Just give her a little bit of a pat with your inside hand. Whoop, there we go. There we go. Yep, good girl. Yep. There we go. Good girl. Okay, and if she's jogging around, just give her a little bit of a pat on the neck and stuff. Let her start to see that it's all good. You're going to move. Try and kick her on at the same time. Yep, good, good, good. There we go. Just keep sitting. Let yourself start to move. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, and stop, and then kick on again. Give her a pat. Oh. Good. Away you go. Does she feel alright? She's going to pick up coming off the leg easy enough?
I think so. I'm just trying not to click because she goes.
Well, that's right.
Click.
Good. Yeah. So that's what you got to do, darling. That's where the lessons you taught her with going around bareback now and steering and long range. You add all the lessons together now, and the last one is to move off the leg, and then we'll just get her to flex and travel in the direction, and your pony's underway. Are you picking up a little bit of contact there already? Are you? You have to ride her on. I know she was just start. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. More important, she just gets comfortable with being kicked along the leg. Okay. And back the other side. Okay. And trot on. Yep. Camera, what are you doing? Good, and stop. Oh, and trot her on again. Lovely, good girl. A little bit more leg on now. So she's actually being ridden a little bit now. Well, she's not wanting to come over near me.
Yeah.
Okay. Push her over, push her over, push her over. There we go. Ride her over, ride her over, ride her over, ride her over. Good girl. Ride her over. I'm not that scary. Good girl. All right, and back the other way. Oh, she's starting to think she's had enough, has she? Kick her on. Yep, there we go. Good. Turn. She nearly has had enough. That's a very good start, actually. Good girl. She's done all she needed to do tonight. Come on, little girl. There we go. Good. That's okay. Good girl. Okay, correct her now, correct her now, correct her now, correct her now. There we go. That's enough. Yep, she'll get used to it. This is the first point of being able to ride her, isn't it? Whoop, whoop. Just pick your reins up a little bit, darling. They're a little bit too loose there. Right, now ride her through this time. Ride her through. Good girl.